Elegance Unveiled, Crafting Nature's Symphony in Handmade Earrings. A tale of porcelain, gold, and timeless beauty. In a garden where blossoms whispered secrets to the wind, a skilled artisan named Eldora was inspired by the floral tapestry surrounding her. From this enchanted haven, she crafted a pair of earrings, each adorned with the elegance of a beautiful flower-patterned porcelain bead, delicately painted with hues from nature's palette. Eldora, drawn to the beauty of the garden, carefully plucked a delicate porcelain bead, capturing the tranquility and whispers of floral tales within. As she threaded gold wire through the porcelain beads, a dance of petals frozen in time emerged. The gold earrings hooks, forged in the heart of a sunlit forge, added a touch of sophistication, as if plucking these floral treasures straight from the heart of the magical garden. Adorning these earrings was like wearing a piece of the enchanted garden itself. When the delicate gold hooks embraced the earlobes, a connection blossomed between the wearer and the timeless beauty of nature. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm golden glow, the porcelain flowers glimmered, reflecting the magic of a garden bathed in twilight. These earrings became more than mere accessories. They were tokens of nature's artistry, an invitation to carry the elegance of blossoms wherever one ventured. The gold wire, woven into the earrings with the precision of a master craftsman, told a story of resilience. It had once been a part of the majestic mountain, patiently waiting to be transformed. As it journeyed from the depths of the earth to Eldora's workshop, it embraced the tales of the rugged landscapes. Now, as the wire intertwined with the porcelain bead, it whispered tales of endurance, reminding wearers that strength and beauty coexist. In our mystical workshop, hidden between worlds, Eldora continued her craft, using the same delicate porcelain beads, gold wire, and earrings hooks. Woven into each pair was not just the elegance of nature's hues, but the essence of a secret garden, a garden where every blossom held a story, and every story was delicately woven into the dance of petals and gold wire. As our fairy tale concludes, I want to make it clear that this enchanting story is purely a creation of imagination, inspired by the delicate porcelain flower bead, the graceful gold earrings hooks, and the resilient gold wire. It's not tied to any specific individual, but crafted to resonate with the universal magic that handmade accessories can evoke. Let it be known that this story is a testament to the beauty of crafting narratives through artistry and design. In creating these earrings, I found a reflection of my own journey, a reminder that even in the shadows, there's a bloom waiting to fill the emptiness with beauty and resilience. May this tale inspire you to embrace the magic within your own stories. And remember, in the world of handmade jewelry, each piece carries a unique narrative waiting to be discovered. Until next time, stay enchanted, stay inspired, and may your own stories be as captivating as the ones we create here.